Hello guys, welcome back new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to increase rate limits on Twitter account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your app store and from here you search for this Twitter account. Tap on Twitter account. Tap on this and from here you make sure that update your Twitter account. After that, go back. From here you can see Elon Musk tweet, verify account are limited to reading 6,000 posting per day and unverified account to read 600 posts per day and new unverified account to read 300 per day. If you want to increase, what you need to do it, verify account, and after that you easily increase your rate limits. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.